India struggles with daddy issues. All of this politician worshipping, punters around politicians, calling them bhaiya, this celebrity worshipping, this this illogical, absolute illogical, and unparalleled than any country worshipping of social media influencers. All of this comes down to this daddy issue phenomena. Like the term, all of this comes back to term because they want that father figure, permanent father figure to look up to, which is fucking crazy. Cause it's not nothing wrong with having a father figure. Sorry, nothing wrong with actually nothing wrong with having a father figure, but having somebody which you have never met, probably if you will even ever meet that person, it's never going to be more than a few minutes. So you will actually never meet that person. You will meet a performance which they put on, or a mask they put on, and you will never be able to meet that person, and still people are worshipping them like crazy. That's all of this phenomena just indicate to that particular thing, the daddy issue, because people want to look up to somebody, and that's not a fucking problem. Number one problem is what just I told you. That they don't know everything about them, or no, don't even know enough about them, what kind of person they are. They just know their work or their performance. The second thing, which is even crazy, is that it's nothing wrong when you look up to somebody, but looking constantly looking up to them, even though their action doesn't mean their words, or they people even defend worst of the worst. Like you will see that in the scene of babas and influencers as well as politicians actually, that doesn't matter what bad thing or worst evils deeds they can do, people will keep following them. What is their core following will never leave them, and that's the problem. Like, it's mindless following. It's literally beyond blind, because your brain is not even recognizing what it is in front of your eyes. And these two problems really destroying Indian minds, as well as like the main problem with that is they have the control over your entire life. Like, the moment they can drive your thought process, thinking, your critical thinking even works to just accumulate more evidence that how they are a better person. And it's not like what their haters are saying. The moment those things even happen, the smartest of the people use their intellect just to justify that particular feeling that their favorite influencers are right, or their favorite babas are right, and they accumulate. So the problem, they accumulate proofs for that. The problem in that particular process is key. You don't do anything scientific by first gathering the proof and then finding first gathering the objective and then finding proofs for it, right? You eventually follow the proofs, and then you come to a particular conclusion, okay, or the not the proofs, the indication, the markers, that okay, maybe the truth is this. And that's the unfortunate reality currently. But I don't know, I don't even have an answer how this is going to be solved for our country, because this is 200 years or maybe 800 years of constantly pleasing others, or constantly pleasing an authority. So now that authority is not there, like nobody's ruling you, so you need to put an arbitrary idea, or an arbitrary idea of a person, or something that person is not even uh, yeah few people are not even alive and they rule your life, which is so weird, and it's funny to me a little bit as well. Yeah, so all of this aside, I really wish ki more people will be aware of this and start to use their own head, realize that they are not in an authority, and that's completely okay. Now, this gives them the chance to become authority by themselves, and frankly, it's unfortunately, I don't think this is going to happen. I don't think this is going to get solved, because it's a civilizational problem now, because we are naturally, like, you can look around you, we are a very pleasing society, right? चार लोग क्या कहेंगे, बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है हमें उससे. So that is going to create, like, every time even you will try to escape, that insane amount of resistance will come and will pull you back. Yeah, I would love to know what you think about this. This is a very serious topic, actually. It's much bigger of a problem than we realize, because it even kills the potential to do something ahead. Like, you can't change a mindset overnight of that many people. But yeah, if a miracle would happen, if a few people will start critical thinking, take authority in their own hands, and rule their life in their own terms, I think India will change forever, and we are going to impact the world with just that, because it's going to create many more entrepreneurship opportunities, much more quality content, and far more better fans, and far more better celebrities, and far more better politicians. Yep. Do let me know in the comments what do you think about this.